guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're watching this for the first time, you gotta subscribe to my channel and like this video. Today I will be vlogging. So we are going to the beach. By we I mean I'm taking a friend of mine to the beach. She's come from Karnataka, so she is very excited to go to the beach, and I can't talk because I just got up. I had a sleepless night and still I'm up at 7:30. So we're going early in the morning. I'm ready and it's time to leave. I'm gonna see you guys when I'm at the beach. So three of us, we decided to go in the car. So come here to turn the car and waiting for them to come. So once they come, we'll head to the beach. We're already late, and I hate it when we get late. Like we're late. We're half an hour late. Because of तुझ्या खातीर लेट आम्ही अर्धेवर. She dressed up and all with lipstick, makeup to go to the beach. खोटवांग नको. So we come to Vagator beach. So I got to Vagator beach because that was the closest, and since I have work, I thought I'll quickly show her the beach here and we'll chill for some time and then head home. So yeah, they're already out. I am going out. I thought I'll just update you guys. And the sun, it's already so hot. Like in the morning it was freezing when I was like leaving from home, but now it's really hot. I will see you guys. I'll keep updating you guys. So I'm going to vlog the entire day and upload this today itself probably. So stay tuned. Hi. So she is from Karnataka and we have got her to the beach. Say hi. There's nobody on the beach. Become a proper tourist like always. Whenever I come to the beach I like to dress up like a tourist. I don't know why, with the hat and all, but it's really hot so I carried my head and we're almost there. So we chilled for around 1 hour and I'm tired because it's hot. So we'll be heading back home. I'm going to drop them and go back home because I have work to do. I'm working from home, so we'll have some office work. So I will show you guys what I do at home. There's Diwali coming soon, so a lot of cleaning needs to be done. So my house help is going to do that. But I will be like, I just have to look around. Very hungry. So guys, I came back home sometime back and I forgot to remove my glaze. God, I just realized because the camera was on. Okay, so I got some work done because I told you guys right that I have to do some cleaning work and all that. So I got that done, and guess what? I forgot my work phone at my friend's place, and without it, half of my work would be like, it would just pile up, and for Diwali I don't want to pile up any kind of work. So I'm gonna quickly get ready, pick up the phone and go to work. I don't want to go back to Mapsa again because I just don't feel like. I thought I'll just sit here and work today. And okay, anyway, sorry for the crying face, but yeah, it's really hot outside and Going out for the second time is a pain. So जो मेरा vlogging का plan था, I don't think that's gonna work if I go out, because if I'm working from out then I can't vlog. जब मैं घर पे होती हूँ like I keep updating about little things, you know, like ये हो रहा है, ये कर रहा है, लोग भी हैं like, so let's see. Probably I might pick up my phone and come back. I don't know. Chalo. Finally home, guys, after a long day. So I had so much work today because I don't know why, but I just feel like whenever there are festivals coming close, our work just increases. And it was a lot of work for today, and I'm really tired because I didn't sleep last night, and today I don't feel like sleeping because I have work from home tomorrow again, which means I don't have to get up, you know, early, because usually if I have to go to work, I have to get up like at least 2 hours in advance or 1 hour in advance, so I can just sleep for that 1 extra hour, and that makes me feel so nice. So yeah, now I have to go have a shower, or फिर I can yeah, I have to do a lot of stuff today. I have to film a video anyhow. I have to do that. So guys, this is going to be my setup. I'll be sitting here and these will be the elements. So I don't know how it looks like in the camera, but I will be vlogging with this. Probably going to remove that because it looks too much there. And yeah, you guys will be seeing this background for a few days probably. So guys, right now I'm going to the supermarket. It's the next day. I haven't updated you guys from morning. I was supposed to upload this yesterday, but I thought since I'm going out today, I will also vlog that and then edit and upload it. So abhi I'm going for a little shopping because my friends are coming over to my place tomorrow, and you guys will see that in the next vlog. So I will show you guys what I'm doing right now and then end the vlog. So guys, I came back a while ago and I completely forgot to vlog, and now I will just doing the thing that I told you guys. So these are biscuits. I'm crushing them and it's taking so much time. It's irritating. I should have just put it in the grinder or something and crush them. I can do, but I don't want fine powder. I want it a bit, you know, I want the crumbs. So I'm trying to do this from the past 5 minutes, and it's kind of annoying because it's not turning into powder. Wait. So I'm going to quickly do this. Let me show you guys what I'm doing. Like, this is what I've done currently. So these are the biscuits. I've taken 2 packets because I don't need much. The 2 small packets. So when you're trying it for the first time, if you try it ever, then you can try it with a packet or 2. So once, these are Mary biscuits, by the way. Mari biscuits, whatever you call it. What do you call it? I don't know what to call it. I think it's Mary. I call it Mary biscuit. I don't know what to call it. Mari biscuit. I've heard people call it Mari biscuit also. So once the biscuits are crushed properly into fine powder, not really fine, but I have 3 freaking dogs. How many dogs do you guys have? Let me know in the comments below. I would like to know. So guys, I've added powdered sugar in the biscuit ka mixture, and I've added a few nuts, cashew nuts to this, and now I'm adding butter, melted butter. So I added a bit of milk, and this is what it looks like now. You have to just make balls out of it and keep it in the fridge for some time. Eat it then. So I am making laddus out of this paste now. So this is what it looks like, and I'm making like chotu laddus. I'm going to show you guys one, and I'm going to keep it in the fridge so that we can eat it tomorrow, because right now I'm not in a mood to eat this. Though I've tasted and it turned out pretty good. So this is what the laddu looks like. With that said, guys, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and
and let me know if you would like me to show you such recipes once in a while, because these are like easy peasy recipes. I'll end the video. Bye guys.